We've already painted the first group, let's paint the next group. Go to color 1 layer of the second group. Let me change the color base of the first petal to blue. You can use a strange color if you like. I want everyone to have fun with it. After that, I will choose the color 1 shade darker. Click Alpha Lock as usual, don't forget. Then slowly paint the color in the same direction. The petal shape is like the fan shape earlier. This Copic fine tip brush helps to paint it easily. It's thick in the middle and it's pointed on both sides of the brush, which helps to draw a flower, the petals, easier. Now we use a big brush size first. If you are used to this brush and the hand weight with this technique, then you can gradually reduce the brush size. When the brush is smaller, it makes our work look more professional because it's more detailed work. But the work hours also increase accordingly. Choose the next color. I will choose a purplish color. It starts becoming like a fantasy, lol. If you want to choose a different color, try it out. This chapter is chill. I want everyone to try it out and have fun with it. Play with the color of your preference. Okay, it's finished. Let's do the next one. First, I want to change the color. I will use the lighter yellow. After choosing the color, fill it in. Next, I will choose the orangish color, which is 1 shade darker. This petal in the first group, I emphasize the color in the middle. This petal in the second group, I'll skip in the middle. I'll paint the dark color with the 2 curves at the top. And skip the dark color in the middle. You can see that the middle of the petal is convex. See? Easy peasy, not difficult at all. Only paint it in the same direction to make it tidy. And think about what you want to be convex and what you want to be dented. Where you want it to be dented, you can paint the dark color. Where you want it to convex, we leave it as a light color. Now let me paint the color in the middle. When we paint the next color, I will emphasize the color in the middle to be clearer. Where we feel there is too much color, we can choose the color that is painted over and repaint it. Choose the next color. I want this color to be bright. To paint it here, press the pen, skip the petal core in the middle. As I said, I want this petal to be convex in the middle, so we let it have bright color to make it look convex. It's so obvious! The first few chapters are more chill. Do a simple painting. Then we will use all our energy in the later chapters. The last chapter, I would say, is really tough. We need to be very patient. So, you should pay attention to this chapter and keep practicing gradually. Don't rush. Press the pen where you want the clear color. Try to paint the parallel lines in the same direction so it looks tidy. This is my secret. It does not sound fancy, but it's a technique to make the work look neat and more professional. Change the color to yellow to paint at the bottom. I want to create a fancy color, but you can choose other colors of your choice. I will paint this yellow color only by the bottom part. It looks like the colors of the petal. Some flowers have different colors on the inner petals. It's not always a dark color. If you are used to the brush now, you can reduce the brush size and paint in the same direction. You can check if you are familiar with the brush. After it is finished, let's move to the next petal. I will choose the color from the petal and adjust the color to be darker and a bit brighter. When you get the color, paint it. This one is quite long. This petal has a zigzag line at the top too. Paint it in the same direction. I'll keep reminding you. By the zigzag line at the top where the line points downwards, you should paint with more visual weight. And leave where it points upwards. Let's choose the next color. I will paint a yellow color to paint at the bottom similar to the last petal. Let's continue. I will choose a light yellow color that is almost white but not white to paint on the sides of the petal, which is the petal pattern. This one is a Louisia's petal, which we will draw in the course too. It has a whitish color on the edge and on the sides. Paint in line with the petal. It goes in the same direction. Continue, the last petal of the group. Let me change the color to pink-purple. Then choose the next color. I will choose a magenta color. Then paint it downwards. We will paint it like the hibiscus from the first group. They have the same shape. It's a fan shape. Paint it in the same direction. For the top part of the petal, I will change the color from purplish to reddish, but still in the pink color shade. Where it's wavy, press the pen. I paint it randomly here. For the next color, I will use purple. Still painting in the same direction as the last color. It has a fan shape. Can you see? Even though we changed the color, the stroke lines still go in the same direction. It makes the colors blend like they are the same line. Okay, the second group is finished. It's not hard, isn't it? Let's do the next group. We will have the pattern in the petal too.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my wildflowers in Procreate Volume 1. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.